So myself Lucky Bhai, and today we are here to explain the presentation skill. So please begin.
Hello everyone, my name is Nili Kothari and I am here to explain the presentation skill. So, shall I start?
Yes.
So, first of all, I want to tell you these three questions. What is a presentation? What is the presentation? So, presentation means deliver your message to other. This is known as presentation. And convince to other. This is known as presentation. And communication with other. This is also known as presentation. And then second, how. So, show your passions and passions and connect with audience. This is how you present yourself. And then next is why. Because present why we present each and everything, because it is easy to explain each and everything. Here are arranged mini points, and I can convey with all of you. So this is why, because presentation skill. So presentation is very important in all the field, in science, in arts, and in commerce. Presentation is also used in business meeting. Presentation is also used in teaching. Presentation is also used in any field. So the next point is tell my friend. I want to call my friend to explain the next point, the fixed point, first point.
So let me explain the topic selection. So as we know that there are 5 sections of the presentation skill. If you will work on it, very execution, if you execute your work on 5 points, so automatically your presentation should be very nice and full of shining star. So first point is topic selection. Topic selection is the very crucial point of the presentation skill. You have to choose your present topic by your own, because you know, as we know that we know the capability of ours. We no one know the capability of ours, like even our parents. So always choose your topic by your own. So first, easy and comfortable to explain. Whenever you will choose the topic, it will be very easy and it will be very comfortable to explain, not be very high, not be very bulky while explaining, and it will be very easy for the also the listener. And the next is completely know. Whenever you choose a topic, you have to know the complete information about that topic. You know a you know a single and 1% thing also about that topic. And next is short information. There is no any need for big and very bulky topic. It will be very short, but it is full of information. It will give more information, and it will very useful for the listener. And also after that, listener also think that he will give and she will give a good presentation. And next is interacting and valuable. So whenever you will give your presentation, it should be very interactive. If your presentation will not be interactive, no one listener give more attention towards you. So always make your presentation very interactive and valuable for the listener. If anyone listen it will very helpful for you. And the domain related, your presentation should be domain related. Domain means the stream that you are based. Like suppose if anyone have the full knowledge of science and technology, so he have to choose the topic about the science and technology. So due to it, he give more information about science and technology. So I want to give one thing, that if you choose topic very well, so 40% part of your presentation should be very easy. So always choose your topic very well. And next part I would like to call my partner to explain the next.
Hello everyone, presentation skill is two types. First is manual presentation and second is PowerPoint presentation. So first is manual presentation, which is right on board you see, and then second is PowerPoint presentation, which is in which is in computer, so then which is in projector. So the next point I want to tell you how to make slide. So time versus slide. So in presentation, time and slide is very important. And then second is gather complete subject related information. You have information about your subject. Like for example, your subject is education. So you have knowledge about education, which is the best college in India. You have all those information related to your domain or your topic. So proper arrangement and sequence and segment. So you proper arrange your all those things. Like first you want to tell introduction, and then next you tell importance, then next advantage, disadvantage, then you tell conclusion. This is the sequence and segment text. Second is data should be list. So your data should be list, and then second is use video, audios, chat. You can use videos, audios, chat. You can also use stories and graph, pictures, diagram, which is interactive your topic. And then next is non-verbal aids. Then minimum number of slide. You have only minimum number of slide, only 3 or 4. Only 4 to 5th you have slide. And then next is simple and interactive. Your topic is very simple and interactive. And then next is don't be use cut, copy, paste, repetition, bearing. So don't use cut, copy, paste. Most of the people use cut, copy, paste because they with the help of internet. So don't use these types of thing, which is low your presentation. And then next point, I call my partner to continue.
So let me explain the next part, and the next part is the requirement for presentation. So have we noted what is meant by requirement? Requirement is the basic need whenever we go into any presentation. So there are most of the factors we should work on it. So first is PPT presentation. So PPT presentation is the PowerPoint presentation. It is the presentation done by computer. So whenever you go to any presentation of computer, so you have the full equipment like logistic. Logistic means the equipment which is useful in computer and presentation, like pen drive, like memory, like laptop. So whenever you go to any presentation of computer, so you should have the logistic of every need. And next is professional dressing for interaction. So dressing is very important for presentation. It is the basic factor. It is the basic factor for the presentation. If you always wear a formal dress code while going for presentation, and the presentation is like, has been noted, teacher always told us that your first impression is your writing. So it is the impression in studies. So dressing is the impression of the presentation. And next, there are some points whenever we go to any presentation. So we should work on it. First is positive body language. So whenever you go to any presentation, so you will be very free, not be like a nervousness. So and next is confidence and energy. So whenever you go to any presentation, so you have a confidence, not more and not less. You should have a average confidence, and your performance should be energetic. And hand-eye coordination. Whenever you did or done any movement of with your hand, so your hand and eye should be work on a rhythm, particular rhythm. So it will very nice for the listener also. And next is movable. So whenever you go to any presentation, not stand like a fixed and like a statue. Always be free while doing any presentation. And next is half smile with grace. Whenever you go to any presentation, so always be a half smiley, not be a nervous. And you should have a small smile on your face. And next is proper execution. Execution is very important in presentation. I want to give one trick about that. Always planning very well before the presentation. If you do planning very well, automatically your executive is very good during the time of presentation. And next is manner. What is manner? Manner is a discipline while doing any presentation. Always be in silent manner, not be any more movable. So always be a silent and a nice manner. And next is conversational base. Conversation is very important while doing the presentation. Whenever you stand on the dais and giving any presentation, so if you see, if you will see that any girl or person will not understand your presentation and your, so ask him first, have you understood, and any other question. So it will be very nice for the listener, and after that listener also give more attention towards you. And next is knowing listener. So whenever you go give any presentation, so it will be very uh, it will be knowing by presentation. Suppose if you are the student of BCom and you give the presentation of BCom to the student of 5th class, so it will be useless. So whenever you will give your presentation, always be give presentation according to the listener, according to the capability of the listener. And next is entertaining. Whenever you give presentation, it will be very interesting. If it will be very interesting, listener also feel very happy, and it will listen it very happy. So next I would like to call my friend next to Nidhi Didi to explain next.
So next is common skills. So standard and polished language. So next is common skills. So common communication skill. Communication skill is very important in each and everything because you convey with others, you talk with others. So you have communication skill. You have three communication skill. First is Hindi. First in Hindi, then Marathi, and then in English. Then next is standard and Polish language. So your language will standard and Polish. For example, in Hindi you say आप बोलिए. So this is the standard language. When you say that तू बोल, so this is the low language and this is not the standard language. So don't use in presentation low language. And then next is nice pronunciation. Most of the people say the the. So don't tell the, say the. Then next, most of the people say yan. So this is not yan, this is n. And most of the people say yum. This is not am, this is n. So this is the nice pronunciation you should have. So next is clear sound and high pitch with voice modulation. Your sound will be clearly, like your each and every sentence should be know your audience. And then next is not too fast and not too slow. So you should not too fast. Your audience will be listeners. So listen them. And then next wise, I would like to call my friend to continue with this.
So the next part is other factors. So this is the very crucial part of that pie chart. And the first is conversational. As I told you in this point, that conversation is very important. So always whenever you give to any presentation, so always be conversational. Always ask question to others, and if you ask question to anyone, so it will be very happy and be very excited for the students. And next, interactive. As I told you and Didi told you that interaction is very important whenever you go to any presentation. So if you give any interactive, and if you tell any interesting thing to the listener, so a listener should listen you very clearly and very nicely. And next is punctual. Punctual is like a discipline. Always give your presentation in very disciplined manner. And next is complete informative. Whenever you go to any presentation, you should have a complete knowledge of that presentation. So Next part is short and precise. So whenever there is no any need for your presentation should be very bulky, very large. It should be minimum, but it will be very important and very valuable for the listener. And next is easy to understand for listener. Whenever you go to any presentation, it will be very easy for the listener. As I told you that when you will give your presentation according to the capability of the listener. So whenever you go to any presentation, always speak in very easy language. So I told that if you follow this 5 point, you guarantee that your presentation should be very nice. And now I'll call my partner to give the conclusion of the.
And so you follow all these things, so you will be become the best presenter in the world. And presentation is very important for you all. So are you understand what I'm saying?
Have you understood?
Have you understood?
Yes.